Oh, nice one, Basin Ed. Yeah, just park on the yellow box where it says keep clear, yeah? So it stops me from going across when it's on a red light, when it's on a green light. It's no good reversing back now, is it? Honest to God, another driver that's got his licence from a Kellogg's cornflakes packet. Bloody hell. Sausage Aros.
First loves are kind of like your current account, if they aren't working.
Not like cutting of customer roundabouts. Bloody hell.
Took it easy. At Denman's, we give the trade an easier life. With easy-to-install products like the ACO EI3030 multi-sensor alarm, giving ultimate home protection you can fit fast with no fuss.
That's nice. Indication, your sausage. What that freaking hell, bro.
So it's all right company, you know.
These fucking idiots, man. Jesus. Pull out on a 60-mile-an-hour road, like 20 mile an hour. Sausage.
You're all waking up to this morning. Manchester City midfielder Phil Foden is going to be back to his best soon after making a low-key start to the season as manager.
Away, man, get off the road. Bloody hell. Sausage.
And was also named PFA Player of the Year, but as yet he's been used sparingly so far this season.
Gonna let you cross, seeing them such a thingy. But get off your phone when you cross on the road, you sausage. Bloody hell. See, they need to stop wagons overtaking each other on the motorway. A transporter wagon is hardly making any ground at all. Rather than just overtaking, locking the middle lane, just drop your cruise control a couple of miles an hour and just lag back. You're not going to get anywhere quicker. Absolutely sausage big time. Bloody hell. You stupid kid. Knee hazard lights on are F-all. Right on the, just as you're coming round a bend. Bloody hell. That is a white van sausage.